In this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on Windows 11. And to uninstall apps, go to your start icon. As you can see in my scenario, this is in the left bottom corner. In your scenario that could be in the middle, but in the left. So right click on this start icon. And at the very top you will see Installed Apps tab. Click on this Installed Apps and it will open the list of all your installed apps. As you can see, I have Photoshop, I have Calculator and many other apps. And if you would want to uninstall any app, for example, let's uninstall GIMP. I have GIMP installed, as you can see here. And to the right of this particular app, you will see these three dots, more options. If you hover over it, click on it and you will see the button uninstall. Click on uninstall, it will prompt you this app is up and its related info will be uninstalled. You click on uninstall and here it will prompt you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You click on yes. And are you sure you want to completely remove GIMP and all of its components? You click on yes. And you click basically yes until this particular app will start uninstalling and it will be uninstalled from your Windows 11.